Today, we're taking you on a phenomenal boat tour to the breathtaking Benagil cave. On our way, we'll see the stunning coastline of Algarve, Portugal. We're going to take you deep into the ocean with us, so hurry up and put on your swimsuit before we jump in together. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to see the famous Albufeira's nightlife. In the coming weeks, we will release more videos about the Algarve. If you like the videos and you want to support us, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to activate the bell. Okay, so we just boarded on the catamaran, I would say. We are still on the marina and we're waiting to depart, but we're very excited.
We've got the best seats, show them our seats.
Yeah, let me show you the seats.
Let's sit down before other people come.
We are 70 people in total. Are you comfortable here?
Yes.
So we got the best spots. We're moving.
Let's go.
So they just told us that there are some dolphins around here. So let's see. I have to move.
Oh, they're pointing somewhere.
I think we lost our chance to find the dolphins. Oh no, we're moving. We're moving.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's the dolphin. Yeah. Let's go. Where? Oh. We were not expecting this.
So the guys just said that basically they can be 8 to 10 minutes under the water, but then they need to come up to breathe.
That's why
they're only here sometimes.
Oh, look how many! Oh,
I think they're going under the sea now.
They're going down now.
I think that's it. This is the birds cave. There are loads of different birds that come here. Let's see if we can see any.
Oh, but the water is so clear. Look. Look at the water. There's a little nice beach there. Look. If a couple goes under this arch or over the arch, you stay together for the rest of your life.
Oh really? We need to go there. Or have you already been?
Cheers. If you would like to book the same exact tour that we did, you can find the link in the description box below. Because it was hard to find a spot during high season, we strongly recommend booking in advance. There are also other tours offered by them, such as one that lasts 6 hours and includes a barbecue and unlimited drinks on a private beach. I want to jump in the water.
Not yet. Look, it's a T-Rex.
That's the mouth. That's the eye with the hole. Yeah, it looks like. Oh wow, it's super clear the water. It's really beautiful. So far this tour was worth it.
Yeah, super beautiful coast. I was not expecting it to be like this.
Wow, this coast is spectacular. Beaches follow one another. Each beach offers something unique. And as a result of this tour, we were able to make notes of the best places to visit in the future. We would like to know if you ever been to the Algarve or if you're planning to come. Let us know in the comment section below.
This is Praia da Marinha, considered in the top 10 of Europe. It has amazing views from up there.
Conseguem ver aqui o M do McDonald's
Ah,
e conseguem ver um elefante a beber água salgada. Even if you are a little bit ugly, you can see the M of the McDonald's and you can see also one elephant.
This is the Benagil cave.
so we could try and do kayak here in September.
So
You can rent kayak in there.
yeah, but it's true. If we go to that beach,
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
you
can come with a kayak.
Yeah.
Maybe it's even better, right?
I think so.
I think it's better. But at the moment, we can't see that well. Okay, I think we will come back in September. We'll make another video. Wow, this cave is amazing.
You can see everything
Yeah.
up there.
Wow, it's amazing, right?
Yeah.
Monica was lucky enough to be here like a few years ago.
Yes,
It was
a
a-
couple of years ago.
We should come back here in September. It's fantastic. Yeah, it's amazing. Let's go, we dive now.
Oh my god, it's freezing cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Whoa. What do you think?
So cold.
So we are very close to Benagil. So that one at the end is Benagil. The water is probably 15 degrees.
The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is as soon as we get back on the boat, I think we're gonna freeze.
No.
Because there's no sun and there's gonna be wind.
Yeah, the only thing that I don't like about this tour is that they don't allow you to bring your own food and your own drinks.
And as you know, we love food and drinks.
Yeah.
We really do.
We are approaching the marina now. It was really, really nice. Check this out. By the way, we chose to stay here for dinner. We found a place.
It's called Fat Cats.
Yeah, Fat Cats. Has
A few vegan options
four
and-
vegan option things: burgers, sandwiches,
Curry, salad, chili.
I think it's time to leave the boat very soon and then head to the restaurant. Is it here on the marina?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the restaurant should be on the marina, somewhere on the main street. It's a nice experience.
Really nice.
I don't know if I said already, it was 40 euros per person. 3 hours experience, but I think it was a bit more than 3 hours. No, 3 hours. No, 3 hours. It was 3 hours. Yeah.
I prefer more active things, for example, kayaking or stand-up paddle. Maybe
yeah.
next time we can try that.
Yeah, also, yeah, I prefer like more active tours. So I would have liked a lot to stop close to Benagil and do a kayaking tour or something like that.
Spend some time there rather than rushing through.
Yeah. But yeah, next time. Because this one was more passive, so you just sit down and see the coastline. It's time to go out. So these are all people that are waiting to go to Fat Cats. Yeah, as soon as we said that there are vegan options, look what happened. Everybody's doing that. So see you
They're trying
at
to
the
sell
restaurant.
pictures.
We are in the Fat Cats restaurant and we're enjoying a nice pint. She's having a Guinness. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're sharing a pint. This is our food. Great. So this is the chili,
onion
salad, chips, and some rice. Thanks. So you had the same. So let's enjoy this meal with a nice pint. As soon as we finished that delicious dinner, we went home, showered, and then went to Albufeira to see what the nightlife was like.
And then there it is. Town.
We are in Albufeira by night. Ah, you're up. The vibe looks good already.
In here in New Year's Eve they have the concerts.
What?
Space.
Ah, concert there?
In New Year's Eve. This is a gallery where once my mom made an exhibition.
Because your mom is a painter, right?
Yes.
Are we looking for ice cream?
Always.
So
Wow,
what did
look.
you order?
Watermelon.
Very good.
Yeah. Really good. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, let me try.
Good, right?
Good, but it's very sweet. I mean, it's good, but it's not my thing, you know? Right? So we're going to enter the beach through a cave, seems like. No? It's like a cave. What is it? Looks super nice. It's a very pretty city.
He got the goods. He got the goods.
But it's too hard now.
I want to have some.
No? And I would say that the nightlife here is very lively. There are lots of live music, lots of
Bars.
lots of bars, lots of live sports. Here, for example, you know, there is a rooftop. I don't know what it is, but there's music everywhere. So I think it can please anyone because there's lots of different music, karaoke, everything. And for the food, for the food, like there are restaurants everywhere, like especially Italian food everywhere.
Loads of pizza and pasta and ice cream.
Yeah, and also just walking around like we did, it's super nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Go for a walk after dinner, relax, see people. It's very warm as well. It's lovely.
Also, there are many rooftop bars, like the one at the top there. There's another one there, YOLO Lounge. Yeah, there's a bit of everything, I would say. Yeah. We hope that you liked this video. So, if you want to see more videos like this one, please leave us a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, so you will be notified when our next video will be released, and will be about our private boat tour to a private beach. Seems like we're back in Thailand. So we just arrived at a private beach where you can swim.
Ah, this one.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.